Good morning to you, or welcome to Addota Farm. In today's video, we'll be discussing with you on how to know the gestation period of cow and other mammals. Now, first, let's discuss what gestation period means. A gestation period is a Latin word gestra, which means carry or bear. So it is important for us to know the gestation period of our animals as a farmers. As for those of us that doesn't know the gestation period of our animal, this video is for you. We need to know the gestation period of our animal so that we will know when our animal are ready to give birth, and we will know when our animal has already took in and they are ready to give birth. Now let's start the video. Now, number one animals that will know the gestation period is cow. The gestation period of cow is 279 to 292 days. That is when the animal is already taken and they are ready to give birth. The gestation period of goat is 145 to 155 days. The gestation period of pig is 115 days. The gestation period of rabbit is 26 to 31 days. That is 1 month thereabout. Then the gestation period of dog is 58 to 68 days. So it is important we know the gestation period of our animal, so we will know when when our animal are ready to give birth. So we start preparing their house and getting the veterinary doctor ready during their patritions. So once again, if you are new in this channel, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever we drop a new videos. Please kindly like this video and smash the like button.